Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Today, we're tackling how to deposit money into your USAA account in 2025. Whether you're a longtime USAA member or just starting out, this guide will help you add funds quickly and securely. With updates in banking tech for 2025, depositing money has never been easier or more convenient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your USAA login details ready. The most straightforward way to deposit money is through the USAA mobile app, which has been upgraded with faster processing and enhanced security features. Open the app on your smartphone, log in, and navigate to the Deposit or Transfer section. From there, you can link an external bank account or use options like mobile check deposit. Just snap a photo of your check, and you're good to go. If you prefer the web version, head to the USAA website on your computer. Log into your account, go to the Accounts tab, and select Deposit Funds. You'll see options to transfer money from another bank via ACH transfer, which typically takes 1 to 2 business days. For direct deposits, like your paycheck, set it up in the app's settings by providing your USAA account details to your employer. It's a set-it-and-forget-it feature that's perfect for 2025's fast-paced world. Another option is using an ATM. If you're near a USAA-affiliated ATM, insert your card, select Deposit, and follow the prompts. Remember, not all ATMs support USAA deposits, so check the locator on the app first. Pro tip: always verify the deposit amount and keep your receipt to avoid any issues. If you're dealing with cash or a check that can't be deposited digitally, you can mail it directly to USAA. Use the address in your account settings and include a deposit slip for faster processing. In 2025, USAA has streamlined this with tracking notifications via email or the app. And there you have it, multiple ways to keep your USAA account topped up. Always double-check for any fees, especially with external transfers, and reach out to USAA customer support if you run into hiccups. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.